We're here at SM Ayala pala. Ayala Malls, Inno Valley, Santa Rosa, Laguna. So yun, sa place na we discovered na bago itong salad stop. First time to spend an hour or two here. Daan lang palagi. May Starbucks doon. So from the real estate development, para siyang township talaga, no? Successful na project ng Ayala. Open spaces, no? Livability. I think yung community sa loob. Middle class, no? Middle or upper middle class. So if you're staying here, the open space nila. Let's go inside. Kami naman yung special interest yung places na bago. So yung salad stop is a new discovery. Highly recommended. Na yung it's a healthy option. Ito rin sana kanina, no? Bago. Let's go inside. The bagong place here. So we're finding something we can check. Planet Sports. Ito yung loob niya. Here. Then they have also on days here. Ito, bench. Pasok kami ng bench. May favorite na idol. Ay, ito pala. Ideal Vision.